Today I will talk about how can you fix this problem on your Dream League app. So all you have to do, you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just go down here. Then you click here on apps. Then come to apps list here. In there you're looking for Dream League app. Or just click on search. Then here at DLS24 app is going to show for you like this. Click on it. Then it's going to take you to this is just click on first stop. Then you click here on OK. So then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store here, click on Play Store, click on Play Store. Then you search for Dream League app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like